In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Postmates promo code in June 2024. Postmates promo codes are important to customers because they provide opportunities to save money on deliveries, making the service more affordable and attractive. Customers can use these codes to enjoy discounts, free deliveries, or other perks, enhancing their overall experience with the platform. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in Postmates promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one that has 70% off any purchase on Postmates. Choose any coupon code and tap on Copy Code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Make sure to enter your email address just down below to not miss out on instant deals. Go to the Postmates official website. On the payment page, paste in your coupon code. Double-check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your Postmates promo code every month in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.